Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide for this coding adventure. In today's video, we'll understand how to build horizontal tables in HTML. So let's get started. First, let us create a blueprint of our HTML document by giving an exclamation mark, pressing enter as using a VS Code shortcut, specifying the title of the document as in tables in HTML part 2. Now, directly jumping onto the body tag, in our last video, we had built a table that had vertical columns, having the headings first, as in the first name. Then we had the next heading as a last name. And then we had email address. Now, for creating a horizontal table, we have to think it in a different format, as in a table is usually consists of different rows and columns. So here, if we are building out a horizontal table, we have to first specify a table row, followed by a table heading, and then give your corresponding data. So here, I'll start by building my first row. In my first row, I have to specify what is gonna be my first title for that particular row. So I'm gonna cut this, paste it here, and then I'll give the corresponding data based on what is the first name entry that I'm looking for. So here I'm looking for something called as the first name, which is ABC. Next, I'll try to build up another row with another title as in the last name. So I'm gonna cut and paste it here, and then I'll be giving the corresponding data here as X, Y, and Z, and then I'll build up the third row with the third title as in the email, and cut and paste it here. Next, give the respective data as td and then say abc@gmail.com. If we save this file and if we give our border as our CSS property here, border as 1 pixel solid, and save it. So if we go back to our browser window, we should be able to see the change that we are looking for. So let us check it out. As you can see here, first name is specified as a row corresponding with the data for that first name. Last name again as a row heading, followed by the data corresponding to the last name. Again, email as the third row heading, followed by the particular email as the row data. I hope this video was helpful, and in the next video, we'll learn about block and inline elements. So until then, stay tuned and happy coding.